So sometimes in our abdominal work at Alkalign, we use a soft, squishy ball to support our position. But depending on what type of exercise we're doing, the ball goes in different places. So I'm going to go over 3 exercises: high C curve, low C curve, and flat back floor. In high C curve, we use the ball behind the low back as something tactile to pull the abdominals into. So your sacrum is anchored into the floor, the ball goes behind your low back, and instead of leaning into the ball, you pull your navel into the ball, find an active posterior tilt, active flexion to engage the abdominals, and then you keep the ribs curled off of the ball. So that's high C curve, ball behind the low back. If we're going into low C curve, it can be really helpful to have the ball between your shoulder blades to take some of the weight out of your head, help you find better cervical spine alignment, and give you more flexibility in your spine. Just puts less load in the neck. The ball goes between the shoulder blades. If you're in flat back floor, some people like the ball just barely under the tailbone, kind of like a doorstop, a little wedge, and you can hold on to the mat, pull the abdominals down. But again, it doesn't go up really high. It goes down just as a little wedge. You can get a little bit more foundation down between your back and the floor.